Hello, students. And keeping up with our unit, we are going to focus on capacity for today. So, let's break this down. When dealing with capacity, we are going to find ourselves with two things to think about. In the United States of America, we focus on the customary units of measure, while in the rest of the world, we focus on the metric system. So, England, Jamaica, we all focus on the metric system. Therefore, on our soda bottles, it'll say a liter of soda, while in other countries, you'll see like gallon, quart, pint, cup. Okay? All right, let's do this. Now, it's very important to know your system. That way, it's easier for you to convert if needs be. Doesn't matter where you are. So, in this case, we're going to focus on Mackenzie for today. So, Mackenzie has 4 gallons of milk. We want to know how many quarts does she have? So let's do some math. As you know, I like my T-chart. So I'm going to go ahead and do some conversion. I'm going to create my T-chart. I'm going to call one side G for gallon, the other side Q for quart. Now I am focusing on quart and gallon. Whenever you see 1 gallon of milk or 1 gallon of water, 1 gallon of juice, 1 gallon, there are 4 quarts in it. So when you guys go to the grocery store, start looking, okay? Start looking at the things so you can see what you're drinking. Now, let's do this. She has 4 gallons of milk, but we want to figure out how many quarts is in a gallon. So I know every time I see 1 gallon of milk, I have 4 quarts. Every time I see 1 gallon of milk, I have 4 quarts. 1, 4, 1, 4. Now she has 4 gallons. How many quarts does she have? Let's skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. She actually has 16 quarts. So every time you see 4 gallon, that means she has 16 of these nice little bottles right here. 16 quarts make 4 gallon. Now, I'm in the mood to challenge myself today. So let's do some challenge. I'm going to draw a line to separate the page. And it says, how many pints of milk does she have? So if she has 4 gallon, and that gives me 16 quarts, how many pints would that be? So I'm going to go ahead and draw another T-chart. And I'm going to call this T-chart pint and quart. Okay? Now, I know that she had 16 quarts. So I'm going to go ahead and put 16 quarts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let me squeeze one here. 16. She had 16 quarts. Now, if she had 16 quarts, how many pints does she have? So I'm using this right here. Every time I see 1 quart, it means that she has 2 pints. Okay? So 1 quart gives me 2 pints. 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Every time I see 1 quart, I find myself with 2 pints. So I know that I have 16 quarts, because we already focused on that. How many pints does that equal to? So let's skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. I have 34. But let me count again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Good not to double count, guys. 32. I have 32 pints. Makes sense, right? 32. So, another way that we could have done it was multiply. An easier way that we could have done it, or a shorter way we could have done it, was multiply the 16 quart multiply by 2 pint. And that would have given us 32. Okay? All right. Until next time, guys, you take care. Thank you for tuning in to Teaching Stellar Learners. Be sure to subscribe and share for more educational videos.